cereal, cereal, cereal. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm here to stay. I go by the name of Ayodele. And if you're returning through all, hey boy, hey love, hey sweetie, welcome back home. Missed you guys so much. We are at our new place, and unfortunately I'm not one to be doing house tour. I don't feel comfortable doing those, but I bought some new stuff from at home, and I'm gonna be like unpacking and showing you guys what I got. I know, let's rewind. The last time we spoke is when I was in Nigeria, and I was planning to stay there for 4 months, if not 6. But unfortunately, to my skin, as you all can see, like my neck and my chest started reacting. I'm gonna insert a clip for you all here to see, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we do like the house, the thingy. What is it called? Household. Yeah guys, so yeah, I love Nigeria, but something in my body doesn't love Nigeria. Something in me doesn't love Nigeria. We were planning to stay here for over 4 months, just like I said when we were coming, and my husband was like 2. I guess my husband was correct when he said 2. Because you know what, my skin started reacting so badly. I don't know if it's my eczema, like it's flaring up, or I'm reacting to the heat in this country. Hence I'm saying I love Nigeria, but Nigeria doesn't love me. My skin is not used to this heat, because guys, I started like flaring up so badly. Like I will insert a picture for you all here to see, and then now it's kind of like drying off, as you all can see. Like it was bad, it was this bad. For my husband to say no, you know, let's just go back, and for me to even like constantly complain about the heat, he was like let's just go back. So yeah guys, I wanted to just open a brand new vlog, since I did take you all with me when we were coming here. I was like, you know, let me just also take them when we are going back. And also I won't be in South Africa for that long, but yeah, we're just going back, and I'm gonna spend like 2 weeks maximum in South Sea, and after that I'm out. I don't know if I'm gonna like vlog where I'm going next, or you all will just see me, I don't know when, because also truly speaking, I guess I'm in that season of not doing anything, like vlogging and all this thing, editing. Even this vlog, I don't know if I'm gonna edit it, I don't know when it's gonna come out, but let's just say the day I get like the strength for it, I'm just gonna edit it and then like put it out for you all. But if not, if I don't get the strength, like if I don't get the room to edit this vlog, you all won't see it. Yeah guys, I also did my hair. And yeah, guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we leave. For now, I'm just gonna like pack through the stuff that I haven't packed and continue watching Desperate Lies on Netflix. And yeah, and you also, my neck started flaring up. I think it's because of the heat, and then I came back, had to go see a doctor, and then I got some few stuff for my skin. I'm still like recovering. Came back, stayed here in South Africa for like 2 weeks, and then I bounced out, and then I'm back again. And that trip was just a mess, because I lost my bag for the whole entire trip. It was a 1 week trip, like a 1 week trip. Can you imagine? I lost my bag, and then I got my bag when I was already back here in South Africa. It came on Monday, and then I came back on Sunday. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna also I went to at home. I'm gonna insert a clip for you all to see. Alright. Oh, this one is cute. Very cute. It's no longer on 20%. It was on 20% last week when I came. Oh my goodness. I missed on a good deal. I'll come back again. I'm sure it's gonna be special because it was off with 900 rand. Now it's back to its original price. It's very cute and it's the matte. Now I'll go with the black. Let's just get some few stuff for the new apartment. This one, which will go back on special because it was on 20% off. Now it's back to its original price. I cannot, and I wanted to take it. Ugh. Once at home, I was looking for the Smack matte black kettle. I first went there when I was buying all these things, and then my husband, I don't know what he said. He said we're gonna come back and buy it, and then I ended up not buying the kettle because it was on 20% off. When I went back to buy it again, guys, it was no longer on 20%, but they took my details. They say they're gonna call me when it's on 20%. So that's the clip you will see. But for now, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Firstly, I got some new bedding. I got some inner, duvet inner, fiber puff. I got some inner for a queen bed, of course. It was going for how much? $7.99. Here's the price over here. Let's go for this price. Got it at home. And then I also got a new bedding every night collection. So it looks like it comes with a reversible duvet cover set and some 2 pillows. This is how it looks like, and it was going for how much? $8.99. This is the price over here. This is the price for the duvet cover. And then I got some curtains. These ones are for the bedroom. Curtains, taped curtains. This is how they look like. I got 2 for the bedroom, and the price was how much? $4.99. It was 500 rand. So that's what I got. And I also got 2 for the color, which is the dining room. I just love how they look. They're so nice. I got 2 of those also. These ones were going for how much? 1,199. They were going for 1,200 rand. This is the price over here. You all can see this is the price for these curtains. And then I also thought I would have to like bring it closer. This is the other pair for the kitchen. This is the other pair. And then I'll have to like bring you guys closer for the plates that I got. Wait, sorry. Sorry guys. Okay, so guys, pull it down a bit. Okay, sharp. So I also got these plates. Cereal. One thing about me, it's a 16-piece. I got these plates. I was like, you know what, new place. Maybe let's just change almost every day. New plates. So I got these plates. It's a 16 set. So I think these are the cups. Oh, I have a knife here because I don't have a scissor. We wanted a matte brown. Is it brown? Yeah, it was nude. No, we wanted a nude. Unfortunately, it was out of stock, so we had to take this blue. And then it was so nice. So these are the cups. They are a set of 4 inside, as you all can see. A set of 4. And then what are these? These are the salad plates. Yeah, these are the salad plates. Let me just remove one of them to see. Also a set of for. They're so nice. I love them. Very nice. I'll show you the price, how much they're going for. Okay, that's about it. And then here it's the dinner set. Also a set of 4. This is the dinner plate. Very nice. That's how it looks like. Yo, that noodle was gonna make so much sense for the rice. Unfortunately, they didn't have the white. And then these are the, what you call, cereal bowls. This is how they look like. We all know cereal bowls. That's how they look like. And that's it for the plates. And what else did I get? Oh, okay, they were going for how much? They were going for 1,200 Rand. Here's the price over here. Over here. 1,200 Rand. That's for 12. And then I got a basket. Also got a basket. It's for my camera stand. Also got a new chopping board for the kitchen. And then I got a basket for my laundry. I got this basket. I thought it makes so much sense. Influenced by Snake Village, so I want to read from her page. I mean from her YouTube, of course. And then how much it was going for? 899. It was basically going for 900 Rand. 899. Yeah, it's going for 900 Rand. So that's about it. And in here I just got some free stuff. The kitchen tappies. So yeah guys, that's what I got from at home. Also got some pillows. They're already in the bedroom and in there. So right now I'm just gonna try and put in the curtains because there's no curtains, and try to order some food because I'm starving guys. And also tomorrow I'll vlog when they deliver the fridge and the microwave. For now, bye guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you like and enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you tomorrow guys. Bye. I love how these kittens came out. They're very nice, like very elegant. Like, what? So nice. Even the texture of it. That's why they were like kind of like expensive. See? Very nice. Love them so much. And we are done installing the curtains. Morning guys, our fridge is here. Let's unbox. Babe, come and pull this box out quickly. That's it. something that will do because it has to fit in here. The one that we had was not going to fit in here. And also it had a dent over here like this. So I was like, let me just buy this one. It was in sale also. And also I have to like leave it for 2 hours before I plug it in because it just got delivered. Open. Okay. So it looks inside. It's good for 2 people. No complaining. Okay. Push it down. This is how it looks. And down it has 3 compartments, 3 drawers. It's quite decent, but it's smaller than the one that we had. To the microwave now. I don't know if it's me, but if I buy like microwave Hisense, fridge Hisense, I also need like a washing machine that's gonna be Hisense. Like I need everything to match. Just like before, my fridge was Hisense and then my washing machine was Hisense. I don't know if I should still keep the washing machine for the Defy, because it was Defy, the fridge was Defy, the washing machine was Defy. I don't know if I should still keep the washing machine because it's still in good condition, like perfect condition. But now because I have a fridge Hisense, microwave Hisense, I'm thinking of getting a new washing machine Hisense. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. Now maybe I'll remove these. Let me just do this. And funny enough, I've already bought groceries yesterday because I knew they were gonna deliver the fridge today. So you know what? Let's just buy the groceries. I even bought meat and wheels. See, it's been sitting over here, waiting for the fridge. So let's make some pork. Okay, we get this one out like this. I don't want it to go also because that one that I had before, and it was also a glass. This one is also a glass. Out of the box! And she is swallowing. I need to go to the storage to get some few stuff that I'm gonna need. And then, yeah, this is the microwave, guys. It's a what? 30 liters. 30 liters. That's going for 2,000 something. Let's check it out. It's open. That's why it has like the manuals from Hisense. And then this glass is protected in case of encasement. And very spacious inside. Done for today.